chart format. Now I want to change the format of this chart. Select the chart, then Format tab. If I select the chart area, from drop-down menu, the options are changed to the area of the chart. Instead of the whole elements in a chart, we can select any element we want from here. Or we just click on the elements. We can insert any shapes. Then we can change the style of the chart. The word art style is the style of the words in chart. We can choose the desired one. Arrange is for showing or hiding some elements in a chart, or bring forward or backward chart. Salary chart is the forward of the paid salary. If I press on Send Back, it will hide on the back of the paid salary chart. Again, I press and bring forward. The size section is for adjustment the size of the chart. I select the chart title, then with these activated options, I can change the title style of the chart. By selecting any value from drop-down menu, I'm able to change the appearance of that part. If I double-click on Chart, this section is activated. It is the shortcut of Format tab. By clicking on this triangle, you see the Format tab options. Therefore, we have talked about previously. If I double-click on Horizontal axis, these area options are activated. From Size and Properties section, from Text Direction, it is possible to change the direction of the horizontal data. Or we can insert an angel number. For example, 45 or minus 45. You see the axis angle is changed. Now I know if I want to change the type of this chart, I go to Design tab, and for changing the appearance, I can double click on the sections of the chart or go to Format tab. Vertical axis adjustment. This is the chart what we have created. Now you see the minimum salary here. It starts from 0 and the maximum is 12,000. I want to change these numbers. For changing the vertical option of a chart, what should I do? Yes, double clicking. In Axis Options, Bound section, there is minimum and maximum parts. It starts from 0 to 12,000. I change minimum to 500. Click on the chart. You see the minimum is changed to 500. For the next one, it's summed up with major and shows 1,500. If I change this 1,000 to 500, what happens? I think the minimum is 500, then summed up with 500, the next is 1,000, then the third will be 1,500, and so on. I resize the chart to detect the numbers easily. I change major to 2,000. Now you know how to work with these numbers and create a desired vertical axis. Minor is not shown because the minor and major relates to grid lines. Here, the major grid line is active. I go to Design tab, and from Add Chart Element and Grid Lines, select Primary Minor Horizontal Grid Lines. By changing minor, you see the horizontal grid lines changed. As a result, we can set the minimum and maximum from bounds of axis options and units is for grid lines.